Double team. Has to kick it out. Fadeaway shot. Yes! First field goal for JL De Los Santos. Kontra kang Michael Phillips. Cross-court feed. Brian Santos from the corner. His three-pointer is good. Basket. But he has to stop. One-handed shot. Yes! Makalalag. Nice setup. And there's the first field goal for Lian Ramiro. That's for sure, especially for Coach Topex Robinson. And Shawnee Winston, the former Lasal. Baseline has to kick it back out. That's Golyena for three. Maliliksik kumbaga. Shawnee Winston down in the paint. His first field goal of the ball. Na umabot pa ng overtime. CJ Austria hits a three. And that's the first three. Against Pat Maddenberg, quick spin. That basket goes. Converge playing all Filipino tonight. And the shot goes off the wing. That's a 20-foot
from the crowd.
Amos down in the paint and his first field goal.
Sobrang saya kasama.
That's for sure. Off the inbounds, here comes BJ Andrade coming off the timeout as he hits the three. Trainer shine, Coach Cholo, di ba?
Good response.
Nice
from
pick
the
and
players
roll.
of Lasal. Wow.
And Pat Maddenberg, his first basket of the ball.
Stuck sa mga players and that fueled them to make this huge comeback.
Phillips!
Ganda ng
Phillips on the
Here we
foot,
go.
all the way!
Oh!
Woo! What an athletic! Inside to Arana, able to receive the pass, one-hander is good. Here comes Dungo. Amos stops on a dime, hits another one! I think the title for the upcoming season 87 in UAAP. Golyena hits another three for the De La Salle. Kevin Kiambao against Mike Nieto. One-hander is good. First pass, 4-on-3 pass break. Kiambao sets up to Cortez, and the second chance is good.
The dip.
Brian Santos at the buzzer, and he goes. Makalalag sets up Kiambao for three.
That time, no? 2-1 press.
And Golyena with a steal goes to the basket and the layup. Fast break points for LaSalle. Their silly foul. If you're the white shirts, Golyena open three. Got it to go!
Oh.
It's been
in the second quarter. Up now by 14.
So it's 60. And LaSalle, another fast break opportunity. Kiambao, no look to Phillips! Nangangapi sa area pala. Kiambao. Now taking his time, Marasigan. That's a three.
That's what I'm saying, Ray. Kahit sinong
Golyena on the blow by. What a play by Eli Golyena!
Bang klase.
Misses the layup. Another fast break for LaSalle, and Ethan Alian goes for two. Gets it back with two to shoot. Caralipio at the buzzer, got it to go. Arana trapped underneath. Santos will try his own three.
Yes.
Knocks it down.
Kailangan nila yun. Yeah.
That's a 3-on-3 fast break. Magdenberg almost lost control of it. Rakal for three.
Boom!
Knocks it down. Austria kontra kang Rakal. Quick spin move to the cup for two. And that will count and foul. Austria on the drive. Kicks it out. Abadam. That's a three coming off the timeout. Berg blocked by Pablo. Gets it back with one to shoot. Has to fire.
Boom!
Knocks it down. Right at the buzzer for Beach. 5 seconds. For Makalala, goes to work against Magdenberg. Down to 2 seconds. Launches. Got it at the buzzer. JC Makalala takes a 94-85 lead. Shawnee Winston.
There you go, sabi ko na eh.
Santos for three. Knocks it down. 4-point game.
Kitang-kita.
Arana posting up against Phillips. Turns, shoots,
Wow.
scores. Another Santos. Phillips hook shot. That's good.
Great shot from
Santos. Extra pass. Stockton from the corner. Got it to go. 1-point game. Back out to CJ Austria with 7 to shoot. Goes baseline and the shot. That's good. Makalalag able to recover and gets the basket to go. Another big shot. Two teams. Santos looks for the opening. No look. Magdenberg will try. Three-pointers good. Checked. And here comes LaSalle in the fast break. Austria against Stockton. Yes! Woo! Ambao. Almost slip. Abadam big shot. Backbreaker. And a rebound by LaSalle. Here comes Trapa for the layup. Yes!
Umasok.
It's an basketball tournament 2024. Final score, De La Salle Green